If you're looking for a murang laptop, less than 20,000 pesos, let's go. This was provided to me by my client in May 2024 because we had to attend a training in Makati, and at that time I was only using a desktop. So they sent me one. Sa Lazada lang din naman nila in order to actually, obviously sa price point niya, hindi to pang hardcore gaming, hindi rin siya for video editing. So, kung video editing yung magiging main tasks nyo, you may need a different laptop for that. Though I'm using this for Adobe InDesign app kasi ito yung app na ginagamit namin for magazine layout. Smooth naman. In fairness, 10th generation i7 na rin kasi ang processor nito. So, if you'd like to get started working remotely and ang issue is budget for a laptop, pwede na kayong mag-start dito. Actually, pwede na. Kasi ito lang din ang ginagamit ko pa nag-work ako sa labas. Para sa less than 20k ROI na talaga. Gamit na gamit ko na to for more than 2 years. I'm gonna put the link sa comments para ma-check niyo yung full specs.